Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off iCloud Drive on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app. Now, tap on your name at the top and enter the Apple ID settings. Tap on the iCloud option. Tap on the See All button right next to the Save to iCloud option. Here, locate the iCloud Drive option and tap on it. Tap on the toggle switch right next to Sync this iPhone section. Finally, tap on the Turn Off option and turn off iCloud Drive on iPhone. And this is how you can turn off iCloud Drive on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.